Good Monday afternoon. Got a little repair to do. Here, I'll show you. BeakBot. Alright. Right here. Right there. Is where this thing goes, except they have a little problem with take it out of the bag. These things. So, one of them broke, and the other one on that right there was about to break. And it looks like they knew they had a problem because these are thicker. They're thicker right there in the middle. See where that line is at? That part is way thicker than the last one. So they've improved their plastic gear there. So I'm gonna pop each panel off on the side. Right. Okay. New gears are installed. Now I just gotta put the track pad and the outer gears on, the outer rollers. All right. Let me put this side back together and take it out to the pool. All right, back together. Let's head to the pool. Okay, it's in. To start up, it'll kind of float around and spin around, and it scans the pool, and then it sinks down and starts its cleaning cycle. So we shall see. I need to do the top a little. You know what? I put it on pro mode. It'll do the bottom, the walls, and the surface.